drastically. So the reason is that many times people ask whether having a vaccination will keep you away from COVID. That's not so. But the question is, how do you keep yourself safe? How do you build up your immunity? How do you keep yourself safe in present tense? The solution that is given is that it's necessary for us to get vaccinated, and the vaccination overall, if you go in terms of the statistics, is pretty safe. And every doctor, every expert on the TV channel, त्यांनी सांगलेलं आसा की it's safe and लोकांनी फुडें घेवन eligible लोकांनी घेवपाची गरज आसा. आयच्या दिसा आमी आमचे सगळे हेल्थ ऑफिसरांक सगळे प्रोटेक्टिव्ह गियर इतर सगळे गोष्टी दिवपाचे आमचे आमी ठरयल्लेच आसा, कारण आमी ओपीडी खंयचेच बंद करचे ना. कितलोय त्रास आमकां जाल्यार आमी सगळीकडे पेंडॉल इतर काही सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग हे सगळे पाळून आमी आमचे मास्क बी सगळे डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सगळे करून प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगलेलें आसा तुमचें काम तुम्ही चालू दवरपाची गरज आहा. आमचे डॉक्टर्स बी भरपूर काम करता, भरपूर कोऑपरेटिव्ह आहा. आता ताबडतोब काल जेन्ना ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदीजीन अनाउन्स केले की 11 ते 14 वॅक्सिनेशन उत्सव म्हणून ते साजरो केलो वयतलो, म्हणजे बेसिकली इट्स अ मास वॅक्सिनेशन ड्रायव्ह. And along with that mass vaccination drive, we are trying to mobilize at the most maximum what we need to do, and we are trying to see that we make this a success, and also to bring in more people for vaccination, and that is the way we think will be the solution for us to go forward. Just confront, we cannot lose hope that people are not coming forward. We have to make efforts to see that we reach out to the people, explain to the people. Some people require more explanation, and we need to do that in a very meticulous manner. Honorable Chief Minister has directed me to see that, along with our team, that we are able to move forward, organize these camps. Also, initially, on a trial basis, we are going to Panchayat. So basically what we have decided, I will read out the Panchayat names where the camps are being held. 11 to 14th is the vaccination also, all PHCs, CHCs. We will keep them open continuously for having vaccination drives. That will be handled in a different manner. We have taken Goa Electronics on board also to send voice messages to people, phone calls to go to people, messages to go to people that you are eligible, this is the center where it is available, requesting you to come forward and take the vaccination. At the moment, the camps that are going to be held, where we are mobilizing people actively, along with certain volunteers, are in Reis Magos, which will be held on Saturday, Pilen on Sunday, Penada Franca on Sunday, Pirina on Sunday, Thane Sattari on Sunday, Nagargaon on Sunday, Nashtola on Sunday, Mandre on Saturday, Morji on Sunday, Narve on Sunday, Parra on Monday, Orshad on Sunday, Supur on Saturday, Merces on Sunday, Warkhand on Saturday, Korgaon on Sunday, Velga on Saturday, Pali on Sunday, Magid Lolia on Saturday, on Sunday, and Kolem on Saturday. These initially we have taken on trial basis. We have got roped in certain volunteers and other people to come forward and help us in basically mobilizing the people, bringing the people. And we are going to the panchayats initially, where the infrastructure, all the data there, whatever is required as per protocol, and we will be taking this vaccination drive to the doorstep of the people. This government is a people's government, and our role is to see that we reach out to the doorstep of the people to carry out the mass vaccination program. So today the meeting is still going on. We have given directions to all the health officers. What is the modality and the way of approach? And also suggestions have been coming. Joint Secretary has also been making suggestions. Director has been making suggestions. Dean was there, he has made some suggestions. And also we are, in order to check that yesterday on NDTV also I mentioned genome sequencing machine which is there for testing, which variant it is. That is also important. Somebody asked me, do you think it's a different variant? How can I say which is a different variant? We got till now only 5 cases of a different variant in Goa. That is a UK strain. But this strain, what it is, we will know once we get that machine. We will exactly know what are the protocols to be followed. And as a result of it, in the disaster management committee we decided to get this machine. We have got a state-of-art virology lab. We'll have it, there's a US-based company that manufactures this, and it is to be done under specific conditions and protocol. We will be doing that. And because आम्ही जे सॅम्पल NIV धाडटा ते सॅम्पल 15-20 दीस सोडून दी जे धाडले ते परतूच येवंक ना सॅम्पल, म्हणून आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता मागीर. म्हणून आम्ही आमचो सेल्फ सफिशियंट कोणाकूच आमकां कल्पना नाशिल्ली की कोविड फाटल्या वर्साचे ह्या वर्साचे परत एकदा पीक जातले म्हणून हे कोणाकूच खबर नसलेली गोष्ट. म्हणून काल प्रधानमंत्र्यांनी सांगलेले आसा की वॅक्सिनेशन घेतले तरी बी मास्क घालपाची गरज आहे. काल हे बी सांगलेले आसा. आता लोक आमकां परत परत विचारतात कोविड वाढल्या तुमचो कितें स्टँड. त्यांनी मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट झोनचेर चड भर दिवपाक आमकां सांगलेले आसा आनी आमी ते करतलेच. जे खंय मायक्रो कंटेनमेंट थंय स्ट्रिक्ट रावप आसा. कदाचित काय गोष्टीचेर त्यांनी जे उल्लेख केला सगळे एव्हरीबडी इज अ विटनेस टू ऑनरेबल प्राईम मिनिस्टर्स स्पीच and vaccination is something that he has suggested that we should aggressively go. Countries that have gone in for mass vaccination drives we find have been much better off where they have completed their thing and so the cases there have seemed to have dropped to a great extent. But that doesn't mean that if you take a vaccine you are free of COVID. No, precautions you need to take. So as far as Goa is concerned, we are going to go as per the guidelines given by we have been told that the SOPs that were issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to be strictly followed. And similarly, in Goa itself, we are coming out with our own SOPs on gatherings and other things, having lesser number of people for any kind of open event or closed door event. So we have to strictly follow that. So this today's briefing to you was on the mass vaccination, panchayats which we are involved in the first phase. This is independent of the 11th to 14th what Prime Minister has announced. So this is how we want to move forward.
So one thing I just want to know is that anything as far as getting the age down for COVID vaccine?
That is only Government of India's call.
Yeah,
We can't.
your CM board has said that you would write to
No, CM can write.
Yeah,
CM, Prime Minister has asked all the chief ministers to make their suggestions.
Yeah.
So our chief minister also will make suggestions.
So you also feel that it should be better?
I feel it should be because younger people also getting infected with this strain.
Till what age?
18 and above.
आता ते जाल्या पहिले कोविड इथून कोणी वॅक्सिन घेतलेले आहा?
एक्झॅक्टली म्हाका फिगर म्हाका दिसना असू शकता म्हणून. पण तरी बी हांव फिगर आमचे कडेन सध्या ना. पण तुम्ही व्हॅलिड क्वेश्चन रेज केला. They will ask director to check out of all cases how many, if anybody had completed. I doubt, but still you just get us the figure. So next time we brief the media, we can tell them if any such instances occurred.
So what have to say to those when you all have been time and again telling governments, everybody take care and all. Still then some agitation still move on because it's a business.
I don't want to comment on that. Everybody has to be responsible. Everybody has to wear a mask. Social distancing is a must, and it's important for us to be. Who does what, and if you still want to defy COVID protocols and do things, what can I say? I can't say anything on that. What can you say? Any amount of rules and regulations if you bring, yesterday Prime Minister was on record saying that the younger generation also must be very attentive to the SOPs and COVID protocols. We know that the younger generation goes out a lot. So basically there has to be some sort of self-control and discipline. And I think people should be disciplined. This is not something which is not serious, this is very serious. But same time, like our Chief Minister said, there has to be a balance between economic balance and COVID protocols and such things. So both of us are unanimous on what we are saying.
How many panchayats you will take step by step? Means in the first
Every
phase?
panchayat we will start going. We are not stopping. That's why they are having the meeting, they will continue the meeting. And from Saturday onwards, from tomorrow onwards, we are starting.
The stock is there?
Huh?
Stock as far as vaccination.
We have sufficient stock of vaccination.
Timings will be what?
Timing, know the paths. And all PHCs, CHCs are working on Saturdays and holidays also. आता माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन हांवूच व्हॉलंटियर आहा. म्हणजे हांव गाडी ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन बी सगळें करून दिलें. कोण कोण फुडें येता, कोण कोण सोशल वर्कर येता, कोण कोण ते जर फुडाकार घेता, आमी सपोर्ट करपाक तयार आहा. लोकांक घेवन दी न्ही फुडें. आता माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन नगरगाव प्रत्येक पंच आमचे सगळ्यांक आमी कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतले. एक तर ठाणे घेतले. आता ठाणे घेतला आनी नगरगाव घेतलो. तुका खबर आसा दोन्ही व्हडली पंचायत. पळया कशें कितें आमचे मोबिलिटी जाता. बट आय विल नॉट गिव अप. आय विल मेक शुअर दॅट वी अचीव सम लेवल of percentage as far as I am concerned, just to see how difficult it is and what all it takes to mobilize to bring people out.
So one small advice would be like from the side or from the panchayat side, they could also send letters to churches and because whenever there are grams they read out, so people come in, so people
People
can
are literate, people see television, people see every day on the television.
ते
it's being
अनाउन्समेंट
discussed.
ग्रामसभेचे पहिले अजूनही करता असं थोडे माहिताचे सो
किती सांगता? ते करतले कोण सांगूंक जाय respectively. Let us stick to our own what we want to say and we want to do, and we are going to seriously implement Honorable Prime Minister's these panchayats which I just announced, and also Honorable Prime Minister's Utsav vaccination Utsav from 11th to 14th will be very seriously taken on directions of the Chief Minister and on our ministry what we need to do. So meeting is going on today, a lengthy meeting, so that they are able to conclude and so that we are able to make it a success.
And procedures किती? What are the procedures to take
काय?
this action?
सेकंडली
ते केंद्र सरकारचे अधिकार.
सेकंडली फर्स्ट डोस घेतलो पण अशा केसीस आहा की सेकंड डोस मिस केला
म्हाका दिसना कोणी मिस केला म्हणून.
आणि वेस्टेज कितली आहा आतापर्यंतची म्हणजे
आमची वेस्टेज तितली ना, नॅशनल एव्हरेज पेक्षा कमी आहे.
आमची 1.25 आसा वेस्टेज विच इज मिनिमम
मिनिमम कम्पेअर टू नॅशनल एव्हरेज.
नॅशनल
ऍक्च्युअली आता गांवागांनी ते वॅक्सिनेशन जाता ते कॉमॉर्बिडिटी आसलेल्या लोकांक थंय दितले
हय
तांकां बी दितले.
हय आमची डॉक्टराची टीम असते न्ही. आनी ऑल्सो वॉट हॅपन कितें जाता की हे PHC CHC चालूच आसतले, कोणाक जर थंय वचून ते घेवं शकता, पण पंचायत लेवलाचेर आमी कित्याक भर घातला इतल्याच खातीर की आमी ग्राउंड लेवल पेनेट्रेट आमचे सारखे जावंक जाय आनी लोकांक मोबिलायज करपाचे, मागीर ऑटोमॅटिकली लोक मोबिलायज जाता.
What is the percentage of that you would like to target as far as Goa is concerned?
We should achieve the highest. Goa is a retreat state. We must achieve the highest.
Agapo in Talegaon also.
Santa
And
Cruz?
Santa Cruz also we had a fixed days where we had given the sessions. Now that Santa Cruz center is under JMC, but our people from PHC Chimbel, they are going and they are giving on the fixed days.
But you can take start.
It started.
No, not started.
So in the first phase,
Not
how-
on the-
In the first phase, what is the number of contracts are already? Number
20.
20, no?